So guys, this is 2 a.m. in the morning, December 18. See the wind blow. It's a wind blowing. Okay. It's a hot weather this morning. So this is our content in the morning. Okay. The wind blow, the freezing rain, the windy, and plus the snow blowing in the street. Okay. Top from the front of the house. There's the snow, the vehicle, there's the snow only. Also, so in the roof, in the trees, so bad weather is so windy plus snowy. Okay. Kasi na neighbor there. See the vehicle is snowy with windy. It's December 18, 2025, past 2 a.m. at the moment. Okay. The wind blowing. Yeah guys, so subscribing, click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. This is the weather update of Canada, Saskatchewan. It's a windy with blowing of snow in the street. See, in front of the house, lots of snow. It's December, winter season. Okay, so see you guys. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys.